Hey, what's up, my people? How y'all doing? Sorry I haven't been on that much, but I got a brand new job, so all you all who work know what I mean. You have to put so much time, effort, and training into it, so I'll still be trying to throw out some videos for you, okay? Promise you. Now, this video was requested because I've been getting a lot of questions about QLink. Okay, so this is a FAQ video, frequently asked questions. I literally called them the other day and asked them a lot of the questions that have been asked for me. And some of the questions have been answered on the video I will link with this, okay? But I wanted to make this one special because you all have been asking for it. You will ask these questions and I want to answer them, okay? I'm like anybody else. If I have questions, I would like them answered. Okay, and it takes me a while because I do fact checking. I actually get it from the horse's mouth. I actually make sure that I'm talking to the company and get their information. So when I relay it to you, you'll have the right information. Okay. Now, I wrote it down. So hold on. Yeah, one thing I wanted to tell you about this QLink. QLink, they have automatic uh, service for customer service. So you can, press one if you want to know how to set up your email, press two, blah, blah, blah. But they actually do have real live customer service to help you, okay, to talk to you, to work with you on even troubleshooting. Okay, tech support. They have real customer service if you need to do add more money, if you need to get a different phone. Now, also, which I found this out the other day, which I think is really cool, is that let's say you crack your phone. You drop your phone, it falls in the toilet, the dog eats it, the cat don't like you, so it decides to hide it, whatever. Um, you need to get a replacement phone. The cool thing about it is they're general replacement phones. Is usually a ZTE or and there's another brand they use too. Okay, um, it only costs $1. That's right. If you have a credit card, a debit card, or a prepaid debit card, which you can get anywhere, even a gift card, you know, what they do is they'll process it. They'll charge you $1 to make sure that card is good. Okay, then they give you the dollar back onto the card. All right. Now you have 30 days to pay. It costs $25 for a replacement for a general replacement phone. You have 30 days to pay that $25. So even if, let's say, you don't have no money right now, but you might have some on the first of the month, okay, on your card, and that includes EBT cards that they're considered debit cards too. Um, what you do is you go ahead and fill out the process, pay the $1, and they put the dollar back. Okay, and then they give you 30 days. So let's say if this is December the 9th that you do it, you have to have it paid by January 9th. Basically, on January 9th, they ask for $25. But that does not stop them from shipping you a replacement phone. Okay, as soon as they check that $1, make sure that credit card is debit card, whatever you're using, gift card is good. Then they give you the dollar back, start the process, and it takes about 5 days, 5 business days, but you'll get your phone, your replacement phone. And I thought that was really super cool. Also, they do something that a lot of other places don't do. that you get a free phone, they give you free data out of nowhere. They'll send you a text and say, "Hey, we appreciate you. Click on this link to get 1extra 100 minutes." And you click on the link, and bam, you get an extra 100 minutes or extra 100 megabytes of data. You click on the link, and usually what they do, if you do that, they'll give you a whole gig, just an extra gig. So that's cool. Now, basically what you do, you apply on the website. Okay, the application's not difficult. It's a general application. If you don't have a computer, I always say this: if you don't have a computer at home, go to your local library, use that computer. All right. You can even these days you can even borrow a friend's phone and do it from there. Use their web browser on their phone and do it from their phone. Okay, as long as you get on the internet and fill out an application. Once you fill out an application, and then the application's approved. Okay, and it's not hard to get approved. They don't go through a lot of stuff. They'll ask you just basically, are you low income? Do you make this much? Are you on SNAP? Food stamps, EBT, whatever you want to call it. You just click that box, fine. Then that's it. And there's another one too that they ask you. Like, I think there's two other ones they ask you but you just pick one. So it's usually about 4 different things they're gonna give you because they try to give you all the chances possible. They try to be fair. Okay. Sometimes they may ask for proof, so you might have to you can do this at the library. Just take a copy of your debit card or food stamp card and send them to them. Okay, they may ask for that, but not always. A lot of times it'll show on your Social Security card with your Social Security number that you're on some type of welfare or something like that. Okay, now after that, once you fill out an application, you give it about 72 hours, 2 days. Okay? Then they're going to tell you, hey, you're approved. Then they'll send you a tracking number. This is cool. Once you get the tracking number, basically once they send you the tracking number, that means basically the phone's on the way. And you can track it, and which is really, really cool. That's really, really nice of them because, if that phone is going to an old address or something like that and you're tracking it, you can say, hey, call them, let them know or something like that, or call the post office and let them know, no, it needs to go here. So, you do get a tracking number, and that's kind of exciting because, you can see it. And usually it comes a day earlier, but they do give themselves they tell you 7 days. Because they give themselves a leeway just in case of bad weather, maybe a mailman or UPS or whoever is delivering it, they could have had an accident. Things happen. Things get delayed, so the company gives themselves, they tell you 7 days, but a lot of times you get it earlier. And then, oh yes. After and within the 7 days, you'll get the phone. Now, within that 72 hours, as I said earlier, once your application's approved, then within 72 hours, you're gonna it takes about 2 days, then you're gonna get a tracking number. Now, in that 2 days, what they're doing is they're setting up your phone, giving you a phone number and everything. Okay, so therefore, once you get the tracking number, your phone's really ready to go. So when you get it in your hand, you can just turn it on, do a little bit of activating, and then you're good to go. You got data so you can get on the web. You got your minutes so you can make your phone calls. Okay. Now, another thing, some phones you need a second phone to I know it sounds weird, but sometimes you would need a second phone to activate your phone. You do not need that with this company. that phone is going to be ready to go, good to go, ready for you to go ahead and, you know, hit the ground running, basically. That's what I would like to say. Now, and those were the basic questions that people were asking me. And I wanted to sit here and I wanted to make sure I get the right information, okay, to give to you. All right? So, yeah, that's usually the way it works, okay? And I always tell people, don't make the process harder than it has to be. It really isn't that hard. Okay, and a lot of people already qualify, and some people qualify and don't even know they already qualify. Okay, and yes, they do have upgradable phones on their website. So if you want some of the latest, greatest phones and stuff like that, you can buy other phones through them. Okay, that's more powerful than the one that you'll be given. So they do have, they're a full service shop, company. All right. And there are some, now they also have a bring your own phone plan, but if you have your own phone, then you would check your IMEI number and they'll walk you through that. They have a plan on how to do that too. Okay. But your phone, of course, has to be unlocked. So they have a lot of different avenues in which to help you. Also, I'm going to put on a link on the bottom. There's a application you might want to download that would also help you. It's a free application and it's called Text, TEXTNOW, Text Now. Okay, I would install that too because you can use Wi-Fi, free Wi-Fi. You can use Wi-Fi on that to make calls on that app. So let's say you're out and about and you're at Walmart who has free Wi-Fi, McDonald's, whatever, and you want to make a phone call and not use your minutes, you can use your Text Now application because the Text Now application gives you a free. We'll give you a free number too, so that way you'll have two numbers, okay? And you have two numbers to give to employers or whoever, if you want to give it to them. Or you can be a player and have one number for your plan and one number for work, however you want it. But not that I'm a player, just saying. But yeah, I wanted to give you that information. I will leave those links in the description box below. Okay. And also, I want to thank you for being a subscriber and a viewer. And I would ask you to share, comment. Yeah, I like to hear your questions. I like to hear if you have other links that you would like to share with other people. Yeah, comment. I like to hear what you have to say, even your questions, comments. And also, give me a thumbs up. It really does help the channel. Or a thumbs down. That, believe it or not, that even helps the channel. And that lets me know how much more info you really need. Also, either way you do it, you're cool with me. And also, as I states all the time, please share this video with other people, especially people who need it, All right, and I'll wrap to you later. Peace.